Look how Miss Patsy a beat the pitney. How what the pitney do so? Oh God, she a use her slippers. Yes, the woman a lick the pitney with one big piece of wood. Nah, that pitney they not safe with her, you know. That pitney they not safe with her. She a go kill him. Lord Jesus, he kick down the pitney now. Oh God. Look how me over here so. And would I well want to have one pitney. And she over there so have nearly 10 pitney. And look what she a do with the pitney them. Me tired for watching, man. Me say me tired for watch. Me tired for watch and see how she a deal with the pitney them. Me can't just sit down and not say nothing. You know, so me think one of them day me I go call police for now. You know, so me think so one of them day, yeah. One of these days me I go down and see the affair. That woman they no deserve to have them pitney. And none of the pitney them no got no father. She just have man a come in and out and they breed up. They breed up. And they lick down the pitney them when she get frustrated. Lord have mercy, man. She need to settle down and understand. Say the children are the future for tomorrow. Look for me a big house and me have a room ready for baby and can't got baby. And look what she over there they do. Look what she over there they do to the pitney. And why you out here so they do? What make you out here so they buy out the people them business? Every day me see you go sit down the people over Miss Patsy. Left the woman and her pitney them. Mama, I no fast me the fast, mama. I no fast me the fast. But when I try to call you, Miss Patsy over there, I beat up the pitney them again, mama. This a time if you see how you lick down the pitney, I'm gonna kick him. One at a time I think say pitney bone broke. I turn up on the pitney, mama. Mama, me can't bother to see them things here, mama. Me can't bother to see them things here. Me heart pain me, mama. You know how long me I try to have one pitney, mama, and look. The woman over there, they treat the pitney them worse than animal. Well, mama, me can't stand it no more, mama. Me can't stand it no more. Making lick out them cool. Me no business. Pitney must be seen and not heard. Mama, me not too want you talk to me either, no, mama. Me not too want you talk to me either. Because me remember when me a little pitney, how you used to do me, you know, and talk about don't spare the rod and spoil the child, you know, mama. Even though me forgive you up to this very day, me think say me I live with the consequences of how you used to treat me. So a guilt trip you want for you come out good, not true. Don't you come out good? You coulda out a road and sell your body. You coulda turn to fenke. Don't bother with the guilt trip on me. Because you come out good. You come out. Me don't talk with you. Me don't talk with you. You can go on. Me now go down memory lane with you because you come out good. Remember say you when give me one kick in mama and then me start to bleed, you know, mama. Remember say you went do that to me, you know, mama. And no, me can't have no pitney, mama. Boy, may I tell you, man, some people finna got pitney. Some people finna got pitney.